When solving rational equations, you want to get a common denominator. So the common denominator for this expression or this equation is going to be 2x squared. So first we want to multiply by whatever it takes to get a 2x squared in the denominator. So that's going to be a 2x for this term and an x squared for this term. And now when we multiply those, this one's already how we need it with 2x squared. We'll get 1 times 2x is 2x over 2x squared. Minus 1 times x squared is x squared over 2x squared. And now at this point, the denominator is eliminated. Once you have a common denominator, you can just get rid of it. The reason why is because if we just go through and multiply by 2x squared on each term, that will eliminate to 1 over 1, 1 over 1, 1 over 1. So we're just left with the numerator. That's going to be 1 equals 2x minus x squared. Now, we want to factor this. We want this x value to be positive. So I'm going to go ahead and add it over and also subtract this over. And we can get it set up to factor. So we'll have x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. These two will eliminate to 0. And now it's in the format set up for us to factor. So what two terms multiply to positive 1 but add to negative 2? That's going to be a minus 1 or negative 1 and a negative 1. So now we can take, because they're the same, we're just going to take one of these, set it equal to 0, eliminate that 1 to get x equals 1.